Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: Android Studio, SDK, and a Firebase-enabled Google account. Open Studio and create a new project with a single activity template. Choose Kotlin or Java depending on your codebase. Once done, enable Google Play services and install the Firebase CLI so you can initialize from the command line if desired. Make sure to note your package name and minimum SDK. These values get registered with Firebase and ensure the console configuration matches your app. You now register the Android app in the Firebase console using the precise package name, download the Google services, JSON file and place it in app/folder. Next, add the Firebase bill of materials and the specific SDKs you need: Auth, Firestore, storage to your module build. Gradle, and apply the Google Services plugin at the bottom. Sync Gradle, and then initialize Firebase app in your application class or main activity to ensure runtime configuration loads. Check Logcat for success. You implement core features like authentication, Firestore reads/writes, and storage uploads with clear UI flows. Make sure to test rules and permissions locally first. Once functional, run on an emulator and a real device to validate network behavior and offline persistence, and handle exceptions gracefully so users get meaningful feedback. If something breaks, first confirm Google services. JSON matches the package and contains correct SHA1. Then verify Gradle and plugin versions. Check Logcat for stack traces to pinpoint configuration or runtime problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.